Hey folks, Luxinda Swirl here. We're going to do a quick double unboxing just because I had these here, so let's look at them. This first one is Your Creative Studio. This is something I saw another YouTuber subscribe to and open up, and I was intrigued. This is the journaling part of me, not the resin part of me. For the resin part of me, we will be doing the July Resin and More box. Let's do this one first. I won't spend a lot of time on it. Your Creative Studio. Thank you so much for your purchase. Hope you would enjoy our collection. All right, even the paper can be used. I am not in my workroom today. It is occupado with some other things, so I'm out here at the dining room table, which you may or may not notice also has artsy looking boo-boos on it, because I haven't refinished it yet. This is a resin project that I may never get to, but there you go. So I believe these are stickers. They're vellum, and maybe they're just pages. It says, from watching other people's unboxings, you have to sort of guess. Some may be stickers, some may just be pages. This may just be vellum. I don't remember. I've seen this one unboxed and I can't remember. Well, I'm not getting the backing off of it that way. But it's beautiful vellum. Absolutely gorgeous. It looks like similar designs, but all slightly different. I love that. Put that over there. One of the things I was entranced by when I saw other people opening their versions or their boxes from past months was kind of the special packaging. Sheet of clear stickers, dragonflies. But this, there's a lot of care and time put into the packaging of these things, and I appreciate that. I think they're beautiful. So this is a stamp, again, dragonfly. I'm sensing the theme. What do you think? So that's lovely. Sticky notes. And they are. They are traditional. Sticky notes. Those are beautiful. This is with coffee on it. I think that says if heaven had a flavor, it would be coffee, because that's what I would say. So that must be it. Looks like this is a coffee themed, yep. Pad of tiny papers and tiny pictures, printed coffee papers. That's great. Look at all of them. Okay, I'm guessing this is washi tape, or, I don't know, here it says washi 0007. Very pretty. Oh my. Oh my. Look at that. I have broken things in the past trying to open them. I don't want to do that. There we go. Holy crap. Wow. It's a working clock. I got a pocket watch. Look at that. Did not expect that in this basically stickers and ephemera box. Wow, that is so cool. Totally unexpected. I guess I could put this in a journal, stick it in my purse, coat pocket, around my neck, certainly. That is very, very cool. I love these little envelopes. I use these when I send out my my cups to customers. I put the care card inside one, not this exact envelope. This is a package of virtually the same thing that I bought off of Amazon, and this is what I put the care cards in. These are a variety. I have more coming today, as a matter of fact. So I love these. It's just a little, nice touch that some people seem to like. I do get comments on how cool it is to get the care card in that coupon book. It says so right on the cover. John Peters, Williamsport, PA. Oh my God, I used to live right near Williamsport, PA. How did they know? That's kind of creepy. So these are stickers, and you can, obviously you can write thoughts for her and then put that in a journal or on a letter or pretty much anywhere you want. You can write things on these. Some stuff I don't really understand the, you know, see a use for, but other things, I mean, this is great. Write something on there, stick it on a letter, send it off to a horsey friend. This is Wuthering Heights. Wow. Interesting, this has nothing to do with dragonflies, obviously. Looks like some repetition, but some differing layouts, all featuring the title, Wuthering Heights, the author's name, Emily Bronte. All right, that is that box. I love it. I love stuff like this. I think this is so cool. And honestly, I get that a lot of people who watch my channel for the cups are not interested in this stuff. I am toying with the idea of starting a second channel. I think that may be a bit much for me. I find this one channel kind of challenging already, but I also don't want to disappoint people who come here to watch me make cups and and all the things I do wrong while I'm trying to make cups. I don't want them to think I'm, you know, getting away from that. Let me know if you got any thoughts about that. Meanwhile, let's move on to our resin and more box. All right, this is the July box. I do not know what's in here. I haven't seen any other unboxings yet. So here we go. This is a standard box. Oh my goodness. Well, this is more information than we usually get. I guess she's branching out and giving more information. Let's see. Checklist, resin, pop grip mold, bezel frames, resin dropper, polymer clay sample, crystals, 2 butterflies, mica powders, pamphlet, doming mat, pop grips, UV resin tape, silicone cup and stick, 2 glitter samples, scrub, and how to mix postcard. All right, this looks very pretty and summery. I like the colors overall. I love teal and I love pink and I loved Miami Vice. And okay, UV resin for jewelry and craft making. I see, that's what we're doing this month. Okay. This is from MAS, Time-Saving Epoxy Resins. Looks like a part A and B, equal parts, 50 milliliters each. There is, I love these. So yay. Some more stir sticks. You know, it's funny, when I'm doing these unboxings, I'm looking at specific things and not even seeing other stuff. And when I edit this later on, I'm going to think to myself, why didn't you notice that? Why didn't you see that there was that? You know, I don't know. I get very focused, I guess. Okay, what is this? UV resin tape? Is that what that is? Oh, is this for holding like a bezel down on the sticky side and then you put the UV resin into the bezel and you hit it with a light and it doesn't seep out? Maybe that's what that is. Micas. Look at those pretty mica powders. These don't have names on them this month. Well, we have a pink, a tealish, and a purple. And here's some glitter. And yeah, okay, really my vibe here. I know, once again, it dates me, but I liked my vibe. I like the colors. I like the vibe. I like Don Johnson. These are pretty. I love these Fimo clay things. They're beautiful. I have a bunch from other boxes and I have yet to use them. It's almost like I kind of forget about them. I have been informed that I'm just missing out on the most wonderful thing by not having this on my phone. I was reading somewhere recently that you cannot even call these pop sockets anymore. You cannot call them pop sockets because that is trademarked. And this technology, this technology, this whole pop up and apply it to the phone has also been trademarked or copyrighted. So basically the message was resin crafters should not be making these and selling them because you could get a cease and desist. even if you don't call it anything with the words pop or socket in the listing. So this will be for personal use. If I ever decide to put one on my phone, here we have the molds that go with. So you can mix some resin up, put some mica in it, put some alcohol ink in it, and I think just put that on there. It obviously not with a plastic bag in the way, but right on the resin. Let it set up, take it off, pop out your resin on the not pop socket, and there you go. Bob's your uncle. Here are the bezels. So these go on the sticky side of the tape, and you put the UV resin in there and you can color it. Not too much. If you make it opaque, then the UV or the black light may not get to the resin on the bottom. The UV light has to be able to reach the UV resin in order to cure it. But you can use alcohol inks. Steve McDonald Arts and Crafts does jewelry in this fashion quite frequently. If you haven't checked out his channel yet, I'll link to it below. It's fantastic at all things he tries. Beautiful little gems, semi-precious, and there's a little tiny butterfly in there too. So KC Beauties supplied the mica, the flash white, the bronze, and the silver light blue. Is that what they were? I don't see white, bronze, or light blue. Well, I guess that could be light. That's not. Yeah, I think that's a reach, don't you? Maybe. I don't see a flash white. Okay. Well, anyway, MAS time-saving epoxy provided the resin, and the glitter is from Resin and More in-house. This is a scratch-off ticket for some points against your next order. Doming that. Okay, all right, gotcha. So you've taken your piece of jewelry and you want to dome it to make it perfect and shiny and glass-like on top. Set the piece on here and then you dome, and if anything falls off, well, it's a silicone mat, so the resin that falls won't stick to anything, and it also won't stick to the bottom of the piece, is my understanding. I have not used one of these yet. So there you have it, folks. I am not going to do anything with this today. This was a quickie double unboxing for your entertainment only. Tell me which of these things you'd like me to try. Thank you for joining me for today. We have our two boxes. So your homework. Should you choose to leave a comment, do you think I should break this sort of stuff off into another channel? And admittedly, there are a million junk journalers out there, and art journalers, and sticker journalers, and ephemera people. So, you know, I'd be lost amongst the millions, but that's sort of how YouTube is sometimes. But that might be wise anyway, just to keep it out of the resin and cup making portion of what I do. And for this box, what would you like to see me try out of here? Thanks everyone, stay safe. I'll see you in the next video.